Ça, c'est le
Cap Carbon.
c'est
Cap Carbon, c'est là, c'est là.
c'est le phare le plus haut au monde.
Non. C'est bon. Okay, this is the time to say welcome to a new video. Welcome to new adventure. Welcome to Algeria again. And off to the train station, off to Béjaïa. Alright, I just arrived in Sétif. It's a town in the middle of nowhere in Algeria. There's definitely no tourists here. So I need to find a bus. Let's go and hopefully I'll find my way to Béjaïa. I'm taking the bus. And thank you for your help, brother. I appreciate your help.
Welcome, anytime.
Tu sais?
Bienvenue chez nous.
Thank you. As I said, people from Algeria always help you. And this man is taking me right to my bus stop. C'est incroyable, les gens ici sont trop gentils. Merci beaucoup mon ami, hein, c'est gentil.
De rien, mon frère.
Voilà.
C'est bien.
Allez, let's go to the bus now. And look at this cool brother, man.
Have a good visit.
Look at your good skin color. Shame my wife not here. She would like to talk to you.
Hello.
Yeah, man. And his friends here. Ouais, c'est bon. So no bus today.
No bus today.
So what are we gonna do?
After tomorrow.
After tomorrow. Oh, we're gonna stay here. Maybe tomorrow we go. Oh, see you later, guys. Well, good news in the end. The bus was full. She wouldn't sell me a ticket. But there's another one at 5 o'clock. She said no. So when I went to speak to the boss, he said, yeah, we got ticket. And he got me a ticket. So I've got ticket. But it's at 5 o'clock. So I've got a bit of time to burn. So I'm gonna try to find somewhere I can chill for a few minutes and have a snack. Good news. I don't want to be stuck in this town. And welcome to a brand new video still in Algeria. Keep watching, guys.
A few hours later.
And this is where we're going, guys. Let's go. Welcome to Béjaïa. Found a guy of walking guys. So I decided to join him. Randonnée time. Let's go. Nice and sunny here in Béjaïa. I'm hoping for a good, beautiful day. And this is where we're going. For Le Mercier and for Gouaya. Let's go.
Voilà, tout ça c'est l'ancienne ville.
Okay.
Ça c'est l'ancienne Béjaïa. C'est des constructions
Très joli.
françaises.
Here is Béjaïa in all its glory. Pardon. Hop. And there in the background, there you can see Pic du Singe, which is called the Monkey Point or something like that. So it's part of the itinerary today. But the guide has told me we're doing 15 miles. But it's nice and rewarding now. Wow! Ah, c'est joli là.
Tu sais qu'on va faire derrière tout ça. Derrière le. Tu
Ah
vois,
d'accord,
pic,
jusqu'au pic.
on va faire le front.
Ah,
Tu-
magnifique.
Tu as la mer comme ça.
Le pic c'est
Devant
là-bas.
toi. Donc là c'est l'ouest de Béjaïa. La côte
D'accord.
ouest de Béjaïa.
And here you have the writing, Kabylie writing. Here are all the letters. Wow. C'est magnifique cette écriture. Beautiful. Ouais, c'est ça, l'écriture berbère. C'est magnifique, c'est très magnifique.
C'est un méziat. Un outil de défense. C'était même c'était un fort pendant les Hamadites. En bas, il a été occupé par les Espagnols.
C'est bon.
Ah oui, c'est bon. Ah oui.
C'est bon, on peut danser. Avec la belle musique, c'est gentil. Oriental. And let's go again. Now off to Pic de la Dent. Yema Yama. No, Yema Yamna. Yema Yamna. Okay. The Peak of the Tooth. is very pretty, to be fair.
شوف زين تسيد
Here we have it.
كل زين ولد تلقى كل
Pic de la dent. Tooth pick. Literally translated in English, that's funny. Wow. And all those guys. Friendly guys, by the way.
Celle-là, celle-là.
Là-bas.
On va la mettre. On va la faire.
Ah, ok, d'accord. Ouais,
Dans le circuit.
oh, c'est cool, hein. Très cool. This is really stunning.
Ça, c'est le.
Wow.
Cap Carbon.
C'est le,
Capcara, c'est là, c'est là.
c'est le phare le plus haut au monde.
Ah oui, oui, j'ai entendu. Le phare naturel le plus haut du monde.
Ouais, naturel. Là,
Voilà,
c'est ça.
naturel.
C'est-
Voilà.
c'est ça.
Waouh, l'eau, la couleur de l'eau.
Ah oui,
Incroyable.
turquoise.
Waouh.
C'est un aquarium.
Je prends l'équipe. Salut mon ami. The other two are taking photos. We'll get them later. Ok, ah, merci. J'aurais dû faire comme toi, prendre un chapeau pour protéger de la tête.
Je te donne un petit peu.
Non, merci.
Sommet de petit singe.
Le sommet du pic des singes. Waouh.
D'orientation.
Ah, ok.
Voilà. Le pic des singes, altitude 430.
430 mètres.
Ouais.
430 meters high.
Là,
altitude.
là, tu es là ici. Après, tu as, tu
D'accord.
as la mer. Tu as les appellations.
On est où ici?
Au pic des singes.
Tout le monde rigole.
يلا قدمتين قدمت روح رمت فيرس كان يمشي زويد فيري قلت عيط هذا الشيء انا حقيقة تمشي كثير.
And it's nice to have a midway camp. Ça fait du bien d'arriver. Nice to arrive. Et voilà la table et les amis qui ont préparé la table.
Oh, ça c'est comme ça, on mange ensemble, y a pas de souci.
That's the Algerian for you. Algerian, always kind sharing. C'est incroyable. C'est pourquoi je veux montrer ça. I want to show you people. It's unbelievable. Toi, tu as tout préparé, hein, comme il faut. Et toi aussi, tu as préparé?
Non, j'ai ramené des œufs durs,
Des œufs durs.
un peu d'huile d'olive,
Ça va.
quelques crudités.
Il y a du thé, du café.
Non. Ah, faut tourner, vas-y, vas-y, vas-y. Vas-y, encore. Allez. Here's the guys I've been hiking with. Oop, round 2. Voilà, c'était bien. Oh wow, look at this. Did you see this? Unbelievable. Everybody's here checking the views. Oopa! This is quite spectacular, huh? It's quite busy actually. The road is quite busy. You what? And the tunnel has become like a shopping center. This has become very touristic here, but we can understand why.
دي المكك
Ah ouais,
المكك
c'est ça, c'est ça. Non, 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 je suis gentil. Mais je pense qu'on l'a eu quand même. On l'a eu, on l'a eu, on l'a eu. La couleur de l'eau est incroyable.
T'as vu le rocher là?
Oui.
Il ressemble à quelque chose là. Quand tu vois.
Et trop tard.
Non?
Ici, it looks like a tiger.
Son museau.
C'est incroyable. It looks like a tiger having drink in the sea.
C'est notre club.
C'est vrai? That's the crew. Having fun. C'est comme ça ici. Hoppa. Merci. Bear in mind, this is Friday. Friday is like a weekend. People are doing their. It's people's day off. Like it's like our Saturday, so everybody's quite happy to walk and have a look at the scenery. Ooh. There. Not to forget this area. Wow, so beautiful. Seriously beautiful. And that's why everybody's coming.
C'est le phare le plus haut au monde.
And here hit the path. Wow. Spectacular. Some guys swimming down there. Faut pas tomber, hein? C'est bon. C'est bien, c'est bien. Voilà. Je tourne. Hop. We passed the area where it was a bit busy and then we're back to ourselves again. Ils sont perdus, hein? And look at this, man. Wow. Oh, c'est spectaculaire ici, hein? Well, I don't think I've been blown away like this for a long time. Yeah, I was in Constantine actually. Oh, il y a les tunnels là? Non, on va pas aller là-bas, hein? Non, non, merci. It's got some tunnels in there, but it was not appealing at all. Ouais, c'est pas terrible, ouais. Waouh. Vraiment, je suis impressionné. Impressionné. Waouh. Oh, 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 regardez ça.
Voilà la tête de lion.
Ah, là, on la voit bien.
C'est vraiment
Ah
la
ouais.
tête de lion.
Voilà.
Même ses 6 yeux, tout ça.
Alors, regardons la tête de lion.
Voilà, 6 yeux.
Ah ouais.
Six yeux.
So, on voit les pattes,
Voilà.
the mouth, la bouche qui boit de l'eau et les yeux, and the
Les
eyes.
yeux.
Et même les oreilles. Les petites oreilles. Did you see that lion having a drink? Look again. Donc c'est un lion. We got the legs and the mouth and the eyes. Wow, crazy. Hoppa.
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir, merci. Ça va? Hoppa, hoppa. I have no words.
God bless you.
God bless you. Oh, merci. God bless you. Ah,
God
ok.
bless you.
Oh, very nice of you. Thank you, thank you. Wow. Eh, il faut pas avoir le vertige ici. Hein.
Non, non, il faut plonger. Il ne faut pas avoir vertige.
Faut pas me pousser dans l'eau. Hein. Non, j'ai peur, j'ai peur, j'ai peur. Wow. Some kids are swimming down there. Voila. And we're still walking back, and the water is still as blue as ever. But this time we have fishermen. Bonjour les pêcheurs. Bonjour, bonjour.
الشمكان الحوت واقيلا
je suis libre.
C'est pas des vidéos.
Hop là, pardon.
لا الشت كان ما كانش الشكل ما كان كان واو ها حمله 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 ما تسقنون لا سي تري بيان
And finishing under the rain. Pardon?
Très bel hôtel.
Ouais,
Avec une grande piscine.
Ouais, c'est joli, hein. Ça se voit, c'est un bon quartier. All done for today. Speak later. Right, hey guys, and Cap Carbon. This is where we've been today. That was so lovely. Right, let's catch the guys. Peugeot 505, Peugeot 1, Peugeot 505. They're still here. This is the car we had when he was a kid in France. They're still here in Algeria. 505 Peugeot.
لقينا
ها سنة تيجي.
الشيء اللي فات حر
Bravo! And we finished the day in Béjaïa on a nice promenade by the port where everybody is chilling, parents and children alike, men and women alike. Everybody's happy, and so am I. So thanks for following the series of Algeria, and see you a bit later.
استنونا باش نرجعوا لكم بعد شوية. A few moments later.
And I am on the move again, and this time I am going to Gare Routière. And if you look on the left, the writing in Kabyle, Berber, is very beautiful writing. The one on bottom left was the most beautiful writing. Look again, it's stunning, stunning, stunning. So I missed my, well, I missed my train, admittedly, but I did decide to miss it beforehand. So I decided to take on the bus because I didn't want to leave at 6:30 a.m. So I'm having I'm having a coffee and a cake here in the train station in Béjaïa. This is called Rudy, recommended by the guy. Delicious. With Algerian coffee. Very nice. Okay, guys. And that's it, Algeria. Time to say goodbye. It was amazing. It was great. And see you soon. Next adventure begins soon. Bye bye.
ما تنساوش باش تعملوا ابوني على الشين تاع اليوتيوب نتاعو.
برني كي نرسل غرام